Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can create a text effect like this by using the type on a part tool. So first of all, you'll have to create or draw a circle with the ellipse tool, make it a stroke color, and then go on type tool and click on type on a part tool. And then click here on the line and then type something like type on a path tool. I'm gonna go on the selection tool again, make the font bigger like maybe 50, and then I'm gonna give it a beautiful font, something like this. Yeah, and maybe make the font a bit smaller. And then as you can see here, you can see two lines or handles, you may say. Click one of the handles and drag it on the bottom middle section, again with this one, bottom and middle section, and then align the text to the center. And yeah, that's how you type on a path. And maybe we would make the font size smaller. And what if we have to type like this, on the bottom? So what you have to do, you have to copy this text, control C, and control F to paste it on the font and on the same place, and hold shift and click and drag to rotate. And but the problem is you'll have to tilt your head to see the bottom text. So that is why you have to go on again type, then type on a path, and type on a path option. Here you can see a preview option, and you'll click on flip. Voila, that's it. And from here you'll have to align to the center and click OK. Also on this one, go on type on a path, and type on a path option, and just align it to the center. You wouldn't see anything if you don't click on preview. So yeah, okay, that's it. That's how we type on a path. Thank you guys. If you guys have any question, just comment down below, and I'll try to make a video out of it. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys.